everybody. In this video we're going to be finding volumes of cones. Now the formula we need is V equals 1/3 pi r squared times h. R is the radius, h is the height. Basically it's a third of a cylinder. For number 1, our radius is 6 and our height is 10. And in the calculator, to the nearest tenth, it comes out to 301.6 cubic centimeters. Number 2, again our formula 1/3, the pi r squared, radius is 8, so 8 squared, times the height of 10, 670.2 cubic feet. Alright, number 3, now they give us the diameter, that means the radius would be 6. So here's the setup, we got 1/3 pi radius squared times the height of 30. And that yields 1,131.0 cubic inches. For number 4, now they're giving us the slant height here. And let's work on this triangle because we need to find the height. We know the radius is going to be 10, half of our diameter here given. Okay, so we got that taken care of. Now we know this is a 45, 45, 90 triangle. Notice how the 10 is not one leg. Since the hypotenuse of the triangle is 18, each leg is in turn 18 over radical 2. Okay, so that's going to act as our height. Alright, let's put it all together. 1/3 pi radius squared times the height, 18 over radical 2. Putting it all together, you should get 1,332.9 cubic yards. Alright, and then number 5. Now we have a diameter of 20. That means a radius would be 10. We can get some of the pieces in play here. 1/3 pi times radius squared times the height. Now the height is undetermined yet. We do have a right triangle here. Height is right here. We'll call x, and 10 squared plus x squared yields 26 squared. X is the square root of 26 squared minus 10 squared, and that comes out to 24, and that is our height, 24. Putting it all together, 1/3 pi times 10 squared times 24 yields 2,513.3 feet cubed. Alright, our last one here, number 6. Alright, we do not know the radius. Okay, what we do know is the slant height or the hypotenuse of this triangle. Now, 45, 45, 90 triangle, if we give you the hypotenuse as a number 4, each leg is the hypotenuse divided by radical 2. So hypotenuse divided by radical 2. Now notice that this right here, this length right here, is acting as our height. So we at least have that taken care of. 1/3 pi times radius squared undetermined times the height, which is 16 over radical 2. Now for the radius. The radius goes from here to here, exactly half of this diameter, exactly half of 16 over radical 2. Half of 16 over radical 2 is 8 over radical 2. And that is our radius that gets squared. All this in a calculator will yield 379.1 cubic centimeters. And there we are.